Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to calculate the sum of numbers between 1 and 100. Now, if you ask me, I can easily tell you that the sum of numbers between 1 and 100 is 5050. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3, on and on like that, plus 97 or 98 plus 99 plus 100. This sum is going to give me 5050. Now, it's not some dark magic, it's just a simple trick. Now, to solve this, what you have to do is to add the first and the last number. Take the second and the second from the back and keep adding until you get to the middle. So we have 1 plus 100. We have 2 plus 99. We have 3 plus 98. On and on like that. Now, what you'll notice about these sums is that they all give 101. Yeah, try it. 1 plus 100, 2 plus 99, 3 plus 98, all 101. Now, when you keep adding like this, you get to the middle where you have 50 plus 51, which will give you 101 as well. 50 plus 51, 101. Now, the next thing is to determine how many pairs of numbers you've added. So to get to 50, that means we obviously have 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 50. And the other part, we have 51 to 100. Altogether, we have 50 pairs of numbers. So 1 and 100, 2 and 99, up to 50 and 51. We have 50 pairs. So the next step is to multiply your answer by 50. So we simply have 101 times 50. And this gives us our answer, 5050. Right. Well, you may actually still see that as a long method. There's a better way to do it. It involves a simple formula, n over 2 multiplied by a plus b, where our n is the number of terms we are adding, and in this case we have 100. Our a is the first term, we have 1, then b is the last term, which is 100. So we use this formula. Now this simply means that we have, the number of terms, n, we simply have 100 over 2 multiplied by a, which is 1, plus b, 100. Now 100 divided by 2 is 50. So multiply it by 1 plus 100, which is 101. We've gotten back to the same thing we have here. So we have 50 multiplied by 101, and that simply gives us 5050. So, say we are to find the sum of numbers between 1 and 200. We follow the same procedure. We have n over 2 multiplied by a plus b. In this case, our n is 200, which is the number of terms. So we have 200 divided by 2 multiplied by a plus b. A is still 1 in this case, and our b is now 200, the last term in the set. So we have 200 divided by 2, 100, multiplied by 1 plus 200, 201. And that simply gives us 20,100. So the same applies for some of other consecutive numbers like that. It's simply an arithmetic progression. So say we want to find the sum of numbers between say 51 and 100. The sum of numbers between 51 and 100. We use the same method. Now in this case, the number of terms n/2 multiplied by a plus b. In this case, the number of terms is 50. Since we have 51 to 100, the number of terms there is simply 50. We have 50 numbers between 51 and 100. So we have 50 divided by 2 multiplied by our first number in this case is 51 plus last number 100. So we simply have 50 divided by 2 multiplied by 51 plus 100. Now 50 divided by 2 is simply 25. And we multiply this, sorry about the noise, we multiply this by 151. So you have 25 multiplied by 151. And that gives us 3,775. And that right there is the final answer to that. Alright guys, see you again in my next tutorial. Thank you.